Well, you know, firstly we do a lot of work through some of our educational partners with our schools and colleges and you know, people say, oh, you're trying to sell the nuclear power. No, I'm not. I'm not at all. What I'm saying is that science and engineering and, you know, having the confidence to go and explore it, you know, we want to create that feeling for people and to describe what some of the jobs are. We were talking before about, you know, the most famous engineer in Britain, and only half of you will understand this, is Kevin Webster.
Coronation Street.
Coronation Street. So when you ask school children who's the most famous engineer, people don't understand what engineering is. So you'd think that you'd have, you know, I don't know, Brunel or Dyson or somebody, but actually people don't have some of the real life sort of case studies of what engineering actually is.